Assalamu alaikum, myself Haris Khan. My topic is education. Education plays an important role in the progress and development of a state. Progress of any country depends upon its literacy rate and quality of education in that country. Therefore, it is the key priority of nations. Unfortunately, our country, Pakistan, is a backward one regarding its illiteracy rate. Even many poor countries have higher illiteracy rate compared to Pakistan. Our education system is the responsible for all of this. That was very crucial time as people were adjusting themselves in new places and environment. Argues that where was the progresses was made in the field of education was inspired from India. The truth is that at the time of independence, Pakistan had one of the university, the University of Punjab, an analytical study of higher education of Pakistan 2011. The system of Pakistan is like primary education, then middle schooling, then secondary schooling, then higher secondary schooling, then the university education. Ministry of Pakistan and Finance has reported that education policies are very good, but unfortunately there are many problems in this system and the implementation. Firstly, in current situation, more attention is being to paid the higher education instead of the primary education. In small villages, primary schools are not progressing so well. These are the most important. There are the very small building in the villages, and the teachers are not attending the class. The students are not coming in the schools. These are the reason that the village peoples are still illiterate. Secondly, look towards higher education system in Pakistan. There are hundreds of private and government colleges and universities. There are different categories, from example universities of engineering and technology, medical sciences, business, information technology, agriculture, and so on, etc. Their fees structure usually start from 50k to 50k, minimum 50k per semester, or more than that is going to cross the lakhs. Even middle class people cannot afford it. Their fee structure usually are in lakhs for the people, and only those people can afford the salaries of university. They are very well maintained, but for the middle people are not able to afford the pieces of the good universities, by which they are unable to provide good education to their children. So we have to do something for our education system, by which every one of the people of Pakistan being illiterate, by which our country will be succeed. This is the only success of the key. If you want to make our country successful, we have to educate ourselves and our children first. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.